Good evening, everyone, and welcome to tonight's edition of the Flagler Weather Info video brief. Just a reminder that the data that we use comes from the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville, Florida. Well, this was our last warm day across the county. Temperatures started off in the lower 60s with mostly cloudy skies this morning. Clouds kind of hung out here most of the day, but when the sun finally did get out, we saw temperatures respond, getting into the lower to mid 70s. That's generally where our high temperatures sat today. Now, folks, big changes are in store for all of us here in Flagler County, so let's get into the details of that. A large high-pressure system that has been responsible for our warm southerly wind flow is going to be moving off to the east as a strong cold front moves in from the northwest. That front's going to sweep through the area on Thursday, ushering in some much cooler air across the region and also bringing some wind along with it. So let's get to our forecast details for tonight. Generally fair skies, a few clouds here and there. Skies might become partly cloudy towards the morning. There could be a touch of fog out there. We don't expect fog to really be a big issue. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles an hour, and a low generally near 60 degrees, maybe more towards the lower 60s for low temperatures overnight tonight. Now Thursday, here comes the big changes, folks. Starting off partly to mostly cloudy skies, and at some point in the middle part of the day, we're going to see a round of showers move through the county. After those showers go by, it'll become partly to mostly cloudy once again, and temperatures will start to drop. However, things will warm up before the arrival of those showers. We expect temperatures tomorrow to peak between 70 and 75 degrees. After that rain comes through, and the rain will not last very long. It'll be very brief, but it might be heavy. Behind the rain, expect temperatures to start to fall into the 60s, maybe getting into the upper 50s by the end of the day and falling even further. Winds expected to be out of the southwest, increasing to 15 to 25 miles an hour by the afternoon. Winds may even be gustier and stronger than that at times. The winds will shift more out of the west. When the winds begin to shift out of the west, expect the temperatures to start to fall. Westerly winds at 20 to 30 miles an hour. You may even see a few gusts near 40 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. But tomorrow night, with those breezy conditions out of the west and northwest, temperatures will plummet into the 40s overnight tomorrow night and see a low near 45 degrees for most of Flagler County. You might see a few locations get near that 40-degree mark. Even a few upper 30s will be possible before those winds can swing around and start warming things up a little bit by Friday morning. Looking at the rest of the week, Friday looks to be windy. Highs only getting into the 60s, lows in the 50s. There'll be a few passing rain showers, maybe a few periods of rain on Friday. Then Saturday and Sunday, things get better. Partly cloudy skies, highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. Partly cloudy on Monday, highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. And staying cool into Tuesday, partly cloudy once again, highs generally in the lower 60s, lows in the 40s, maybe in the upper 30s. Things staying pretty much cool into early next week. Now looking at the beaches, surf 2 to 3 feet. It's going to get choppy to rough out there. It's going to get choppy to rough on those inland waterways as well with those winds picking up. Definitely not a good day to take a small boat out tomorrow. And surfers, your best chance for surfing is going to be in the morning before the wind starts chopping things up pretty badly. And the surf temperature is 64 degrees. Surf conditions will rapidly deteriorate on Friday, so just be aware of that. So folks, thank you for watching us. Just in summary, it'll start off warm tomorrow and then start cooling off tomorrow afternoon and then get quite chilly tomorrow night. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check our Facebook page, Flagler Weather Info, for updates. Have a wonderful evening.